What's up, YouTube? Ricky T here, your flamenco guitar coach, CFGLA. Hey, in this video, we're gonna teach you how to count tientos. All right, tientos is one of the oldest versions of flamenco rhythms. It's very slow. It's a 4/4 beat. It's very deep. It's considered a palo hondo, which means it's deep. And yeah, we're gonna teach you how to count it. But before we teach you how to count it, I wanna basically set down some ground rules so that you follow and so you know what I'm doing for the rest of the video. All right, so tientos, counted in 4/4, basic 1, 2, 3, 4. The intro to this piece is what's called ad libitum, which means it's free from rhythm. All right, Paco starts off, he's following the compás, but he doesn't have a steady rhythm, and he goes up off, in and out, fast and slow as far as the rhythm is concerned. So it's ad libitum intro. So we're not going to count that, all right? But as soon as the beat comes in, we're going to start counting. All right, so I told you it's 1/4. It's 4/4. So in this piece, though, what's happening is it's not a metronomical piece, all right? Which means it's not something that you can just time it and then hook up the metronome and then have the metronome follow it and then just tick, 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 tick. No, it's not that. In this piece, Paco is accompanying the singer, right? Paco is accompanying Camarón de la Isla, all right? And so when he's doing that, the singer is the one who's leading. And so the singer is doing whatever he wants, whatever he or she wants. In this piece, whatever he wants. And so Paco is following him as well. So because that dynamic exists, it's not metronomical, right? But it does have a rhythm, because so you'll hear the one. Paco will always do the golpe on the one. So let me pick up this guy for you and just show you the one. Paco will forever do the one, right? He's gonna always hit the golpe on you. You'll hear that. That's going to be your trigger for one. So when I'm counting it right now, you're going to hear me. I'm going to one. I'm going to hear the one. I'm going to say one. And then I'm going to listen and feel the rhythm, the count, right? You can hear it because you also have the chords that are going, but it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, right? It's going to speed up and go down. So don't think I can't count. You're gonna hear it, but you'll hear what's happening, right? And you'll understand. So that's it. Those are the ground rules. It's 4/4. Intro is free from rhythm, and after that, when we're actually counting it, I'm gonna hear the one. I'm gonna wait for the one. That's gonna be my trigger because I'm following Paco, right? Paco's following Camarón. We're following Paco, so that we can count the rhythm and understand it. And it's important that we're able to count. Why? Not because when we're playing, we're saying 1, 2, 3, 4 as we're playing, but because we can internalize the rhythm. We can understand the rhythm, right? If you grew up around it, great. That means you already have almost an inherent feeling for the music. But still, if you learn how to count it, it can definitely help you, right? Can't hurt you. More to say on that, not in this video, but counting is a good thing, all right? It's really good. So there's gonna be a link up in one of these corners, and you wanna click on that link. If not, it's gonna definitely be in the description for the piece. This link is gonna be the link to our upload of the video of the piece that we're studying. And it's really helpful because it has the lyrics right there, translated, Spanish and English. And most importantly though, it has the compositional structure of the piece, right? Which is what we're gonna be tracking right now. I mean, we're gonna essentially go by that. It has the intro, and it has all of the different pieces of it, right? When the singer goes in, when the falseta de cante and the falseta de toque. The falseta de cante is the singer. The falseta de toque is the guitarist, right? So let's go ahead and see what this is about. Let's count it. Let's do it. Ad libitum intro. One, three, four, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 4, 1, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. El cierre. And all right, there you go. You have the piece counted. And so what are the takeaways from this, right? Why are we counting the piece? I already spoken about the importance of it. We can go through a whole big long video, a different series about the importance of counting, but at a high level, it helps you to internalize the rhythm so that then when you get the chords, which will be in our next videos, we'll actually put the chords behind it, we'll put the falsetas behind it. We're transcribing the whole piece right now so we can put this into a full lesson. This piece we're using for the Tientos Palo to teach you guys, all right? So again, what did I pull from this? What do I take from this video? The one is you're gonna hear the golpe, or you're gonna hear that the fifth of the key, that dun 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 dun. That's one. Dun 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 dun. And then two, and then the remate, which is the closing. da-da-da, that's right after too. So play it back if you didn't pick that up. But that's what it is, right? And you hearing me, you're seeing me. I'm waiting for the cue. Early on, I started off counting the one, but that was a mistake. I shouldn't count the one because then I'm trying to anticipate Paco. I need to let him run the one. He manages the one. He's the boss of the one. Tell me when that one's gonna come. Boom, there's the one, and then I feel the rest. I feel if the beat is going faster, right? 1, 2, 3. Sometimes I think if you remember, I was 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? It's because I'm listening to it. I'm interpreting it as we go. Again, using that one as my foundation. So count it a couple times. Feel it out. Try to count it by yourself. Listen for that cue. And then it'll help you to understand, along with the structure that we have in this video. You can check out the structure. Start piecemeal. Don't do the whole thing, right? You have to solve a problem. You want to start with the smallest bit possible. So take the smallest piece. Take it piece by piece, link by link, piece of the structure at a time, and count it out. Wait for that one. Count it out. All right. Listen. Hope this has helped you. This is really helpful for us when we start off counting. It's the fundamentals to internalizing the rhythm and really understanding everything. If I haven't said that enough in the video already. But thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe below to encourage us to continue to make these videos so we can continue to spread this Paco de Lucia method of flamenco guitar. All right, guys. Have a good day, and I'll see you next time.